Hey, rich friends, it's your girl Cha reporting live from the Money Mantra, and I'm back with another Forex education video. The reason why I like to post is to help as many people as possible become independent and profitable traders. So if that's you, you are definitely in the right place. I also offer personal mentorship if you feel like the videos are just not enough for you, and you can find that information down below in my description box. So in today's quick video, I'm going to be breaking down the trade I took for AUDUSD. This trade actually hit stop loss, so I did lose money, but that's okay. Because it happens. You can't expect to win every trade. So I'm going to be showing you guys why I decided to take this trade and how it actually played out. Here was my initial setup. As you can see, it was published on September 18th, 2023. And I recommended a sell at market execution or a sell limit at 0.64450, a stop loss of about 40 pips, and a TP1 of 40 pips for a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and a TP2 of 80 pips for a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. And the reason why my stop loss is usually so high is because I have converted to being a swing trader, which means I do plan to be in this trade for a couple of hours or days. So I do need a little bit of room for that trade to play out. Now, what actually happened in this trade was the trade did hit stop loss because the market went the other way. So we're going to go on TradingView and we're going to see exactly what happened in this trade. So I'm going to put this thing in replay mode and I'm going to back it up to my actual entry point, which was here. And I'm going to be showing you guys my thought process when I did enter this trade. So my strategy is pretty simple. It consists of 4 indicators and a couple of trigger words that I like to call them. So I just asked myself a couple of questions, and the answers that I'm looking for to those questions, if it's a buy, I'm looking for the candles to be up, above, over, higher, or positive. And if it's a sell, I'm looking for the candles to be lower, below, under, negative, or facing down. And again, this can be my candles or my indicators. So when I first came in here, I can see that my candles were below my 50 EMA, and it was starting to go below the 200 EMA. It hadn't quite crossed it yet. So I actually recommended that in order to take this trade, you should wait for the candle to close below the 200 EMA or wait for the EMAs to actually cross. And these things never happen, which is why I can say the trade reversed. So it was below my 50 EMA, but it wasn't below my 200. I was waiting for the close below, and that didn't happen. My momentum indicator was facing down, and it was also negative. So for me, these were bearish confirmations. And for my stochastic, both of these numbers should have been below 50, but only my blue EMA was below, my blue line was below 50, and my orange line was not. So all my bearish confirmations were not met. However, I did still enter this trade for a sell limit. Now, sell limit just means that although the market is down here, it's going to go back up before it comes back down, giving me a better entry point if it does sell. So we're just going to play this out and see what happened. So I can see that my sell limit was triggered by this long green candle here. However, the market didn't come back down. It actually decided that it wanted to continue to go up, which was not what I forecasted. So as you can see, my stop loss was hit here, and I'll just drag this over. My stop loss was hit here, but however, the market is finally coming back down. So we'll just have to wait to see how this trade plays out. I think I did enter this trade a little bit prematurely. I should have waited for the candles to close below the 200 EMA because we can see that that never happened. And that would have been my signal to actually enter the trade for a sell. So just a word of advice, make sure that you guys do have all of your confirmations when you're getting into your trades. Don't enter the trade prematurely, because it won't go in your favor if all of your conditions aren't met. So I really hope that this was helpful, and until next time, rich friends.